Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about ceftriaxone, a powerful antibiotic that's essential in the world of medicine. So what exactly is ceftriaxone? It's an antibiotic used to treat a wide range of bacterial infections. This includes serious or life-threatening forms like meningitis, sepsis, and infections in the lungs, urinary tract, and abdomen, among others. And how does ceftriaxone work? It fights bacteria in your body by stopping them from building their protective wall. Basically, it prevents bacteria from building their essential armor, which causes them to die. Regarding dosage and administration, it's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions. Ceftriaxone is usually given by injection into a muscle or vein, depending on the type of infection. The dosage can vary based on age, the severity of the infection, and your overall health. However, it's not all perfect. Like all medications, ceftriaxone can have side effects. These can be mild, like rashes or diarrhea, or more serious, like changes in blood clotting or severe allergic reaction. It's also important to note that ceftriaxone is not suitable for everyone and should be avoided in newborns with jaundice and people with certain types of allergy. In conclusion, while ceftriaxone is a highly effective treatment for serious infection, it should be used responsibly and always under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Be sure to discuss all potential risks and benefits with your doctor. That's all for today. Stay informed and healthy. Thanks for being here.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.